Hello everyone, welcome to Amazon. Today, we'll review the sensational iQOO Z7 Pro, a true marvel for technology and design. Let's dig right in and know why it's the perfect buy for buyers looking for a stylish yet powerful smartphone. So let's start with the highlight of iQOO Z7 Pro, its display. So immerse yourself in the sheer brilliance of this 3D curved Super Vision display. At 6.78 inches, this display isn't just big, it's a canvas of 1 billion vibrant colors. The curved 120Hz AMOLED display offers an uber premium feel and unmatched smoothness to visuals while gaming or browsing. And that's not all. This smartphone supports HDR content on Netflix, meaning you're in for a visual treat while watching your favorite shows or movies. Enjoy your content even on sunny days with its impressive 1300 nits bright panel. Full marks to iQOO for offering a premium display in this price segment. Powering this marvel is the latest TSMC 2nd generation 4nm processor, the MediaTek Dimensity 7205G chipset, making it one of the most powerful and efficient smartphones in the segment. Clocking in at 2.8 GHz of processing speed, this chipset ensures rapid and open response and peak performance on all your daily usage. Its power-saving features ensures longer battery life. Seamlessly switch between apps and multitask like a pro, all while experiencing a new dimension of power and efficiency. With the extended RAM 3.0 functionality, double up on your RAM power and get up to 16 GB of pure power. Seamlessly multitask up to 27 apps at once. Embrace faster load time and game without any lag on the iQOO Z7 Pro. On the storage front, you can select either from the 128GB or 256GB variant. iQOO Z7 Pro comes with a huge 3000 mm² vapor chamber liquid cooling system so that you can use your phone for a longer duration without any fear of heating up. Moving to the design, behold the slimmest and lightest contender of this segment. At a mere 7.36 mm thickness and featherweight 175 gram, it's an engineering masterpiece. The AG glass matte finish isn't just a style statement, it's a defense against pesky fingerprint marks, preserving its immaculate appearance. With striking and distinct color combinations, the blue lagoon and the graphite matte, this smartphone is your personal style statement. Capture the world in all its splendor with a 64 megapixel Aura Light OIS camera. Featuring hybrid image stabilization, your videos remain steady even in the shaky hands, while the Aura Light Flash, which has 9 times larger illuminated area than a regular flash, ensures picture-perfect professional shots in any given scenario. From cinematic urban effects to glorious 4K 30fps video recording, this camera unleashes your creativity. The iQOO Z7 Pro is powered by an impressive 4600 mAh battery. Whether you are gaming, browsing, or simply staying connected, this smartphone handles full-day heavy usage with ease. With the 66-watt flash charge, get up to 50% power in just 22 minutes. With iQOO Z7 Pro, get the power to stay ahead of time and be charged up all day. The iQOO Z7 Pro is powered by the FunTouch OS 13 based on Android 13. iQOO has assured 2 years of OS updates and 3 years of security patch updates to all buyers. To sum it up, iQOO Z7 Pro is great buy for those looking for powerful performance, amazing display, stylish design and reliable battery life. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.